So Dell Technologies World 2025 was, again, second year in a row, all about artificial intelligence. AI was everywhere, talking about AI applications, AI agents to a lesser degree, bringing AI to data, the advantages of running AI on-premise, but it was an AI-heavy show. AI is still relatively early in enterprise adoption. Companies that make the biggest models are all constantly innovating and trying to improve those models. Meanwhile, enterprises are working not just to use those, as interesting as they are for consumers, but to build their own AI applications that use their own data. And doing that presents a lot of challenges, and that's where they start investing in gear from companies like Dell Technologies. And that's when they have to solve problems like, how do I take my data and put it together with an LLM? How do I build agents that help do my work? All of that is still relatively new. In addition, one of the things that Dell talked a lot about as a theme was bringing AI to data, that there is a gravitational effect. If you have a lot of data, you need to bring artificial intelligence to it to process it and make the most of it. How do you take advantage of AI, not in the abstract sense of a ChatGPT that you just talked to about the world at large, but about your data? And that means bringing the AI, the LLM, the agents to your data stores. PT helps companies figure out which AI tools are likely to be most useful for them, what kind of real-world benefits they will yield, and crucially, what kinds of investments they would need to make in platforms to figure out how to support this. PT had a talk in the AMD booth at Dell Technologies World, where I spoke about the results of a test using our PTChatterly test service, where we showed just how many real-world users you could expect for several different hardware solutions. This kind of data is incredibly valuable because it means that a company can now look at those results and go, all right, this is what I need to spend. Almost any large business is now to some degree a technology business. And that's not going to change. That's going to accelerate.